Go.
Today I'm going to teach you about the product rule. The product rule equation is d over d of x of f of x times g of x equals the derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. Here we're going to do an example. So we're going to find the derivative of f of x equals x squared sine x plus 2x cosine x. Here we're going to have to do the product rule twice for this one and this one. So first we're going to start off with x squared sine x. So our f of x is going to be the x squared, and our g of x is going to equal sine x. Then here we're going to go ahead and do f prime of x, which is going to be 2x, and g prime of x, which is going to be the derivative of sine x, is going to be a cosine x. After this, we're going to put it in the equation of f prime. So 2x times g of x sine x plus f of x squared times the derivative of g of x, so cosine x. That is our first part. And then we're going to find the derivatives for 2x cosine x. So first we're going to have our f of x, which is going to equal 2x. And then our g of x, which is going to equal cosine x. So once we find the derivative f of x, which is going to be 2, and then our g prime. Now that we have this one, we're going to do our next one. So we're going to do plus, so the derivative of f of x is going to be 2 times g of x, which is going to be cosine x, plus f of x, so 2x times negative sine x. Once we get to here, we can take our sines and cosines and put them together. So we're going to have our 2x sine x, and then a minus 2x sine x. And once you see this, you know that this is going to equal 0, so you're only going to have your 2 cosines as your answer. So 2x and then times cosine x plus 2 times cosine x. And from here, you can add these two together. So we're going to make it an x squared plus 2, and put parentheses around here, and to make this a cosine x. So we have to put that derivative of f of x is going to equal x squared plus 2 times cosine x. This is how you do the product rule.